Hello, 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 hello. How are you? This is Els coming from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I did some shopping. I had a tingle today. We went out to get something to eat, and then I got a tingle, and I said, "Do you have a thrift store in you?" And she said, "Yeah." And I went and we got that, and then we were going to go get her chai, and I said, "I still got a little bit of a tingle." She says, "What is it?" And I said, "I think it's over there." And so we went to this other store, and I got a whole bunch more stuff. So let me show you what we got here. Let's start with what's on the desk, shall we? This is a Stamp-A-Majig. It's for stamp alignment, so you can align your stamps. And it tells you step by step on the back how to do it. And so that was a good deal. Got that. And then I found two of these hexagonal boxes. And they come in all these different colors. 8 pieces in each one. They're really cool. So we're going to see about those. I found some punches. I got a big circle, which I've been looking for, this size. So that I'm keeping. But I got some corner piece punches here. And then this one over here, which, you know, this is for her. You know, y'all know who the her is I'm talking about, right? So we're going to test that one real quick, make sure it actually works. We need a piece of paper. Why don't I ever have paper? These all need to be you know. They're all tight. They all need to be used a few times. Yes, it works though. It cuts the little spider. It cuts the spider. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go through and, you know, do those. I found these, some eyelets. It says it's 60 standard sets in here. Looks brand new, looks unopened. I'll have to count and make sure, but these are for use in the crocodile, so I got those over there. I found this, which is a set of recollection flowers. That looks like it hasn't been opened. And, all right, what else? I found this. This is a We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board. This one has its stylus even. That is like amazing because they never have their stylus. And they should have 2 punches. Let me put this down on the thing. So the first one should be like a little divot. There it is. And the other one is like a corner rounder. And that one works as well. So that's cool. So I got the stylus and I got the stuff. So that's, and it's got everything legible on it. So that's a good find. I found this fluid acrylic colors from Camel Art. Ready to pour. This is pouring paint. And it has an apron in there. And it's got a canvas. And it's got paints. It's a DIY kit, you know. But it's brand new, not opened. So we got that. Then I found these, and I thought these were interesting. We'll come back to that. Let's take a look at this. I found these. I actually got a couple of boxes of these. I was like, what the heck is in here? And then I opened it up, and I went, whoa. These are Prismacolor, and these are the black. And I got 2 boxes of those. I was real happy with that. And then I found this. This is a K & Company Smash Book. It's kind of a Christmas themed one. But it's brand new. Nobody's done anything with it. Has the pen holder and everything. It's got the picture pieces in it. Just a great little Smash Book. So I grabbed that. Then I saw this, and I was like, is that washi tape? So, you know I can't pass up some washi tape. So we got this. let's see what we do have. All right, first things first. We have this, which I think this is that like streamer stuff. Yeah, that's streamer stuff. We don't want that. Bye-bye. Then we have these. These are those quick lock shoelaces. Those are pretty cool. I don't know what we'll do with them, but we got them. And then we got this, which is, we believe, washi tape. Yes, yes it is. It is washi tape. Don't know if I'm going to keep it, but, you know. I got it. I found 2 of these. These are paint by numbers. When I first opened it, I was like, what are you supposed to paint? It's this picture right here. Okay? And so I opened it up. And there's the paints. Paint brushes, some hangers. And then I was like, well, how are you supposed to do this? It's on the other side. Look. So one side of the canvas is gessoed and printed, and the other side is not. So I got 2 of those. They're the exact same pattern. Paintbrushes suck, but you know, what the hell. It is the exact same pattern in both of them, but I got 2 of them, and that's kind of cool. So, yeah, I'm probably going to end up putting that in the shop. I don't know. But they're cool. I got those. Oh. Okay, what else? I found this. And, oh, I thought there would be envelopes, but there isn't. There's just the one in the front. Cool. So this is cotton fiber laid paper in an ivory color. Love this stuff. It's 24 pounds. It's beautiful. Only 1 envelope. But I got that. And let's get back to these. So we've all seen these, right? Those little photo albums. That's what these are. Only they're flat, and that's how they sell them. They're just flats. So I got one. They had it in blue and green and like this red color. So I grabbed all of them, and I'm gonna take these out and just use the, you know, the thing. So I got those. I also got this one, you know. And then I found this. And I was like, oh, please, please, just let them be in here. They're not just in here. They're still in the package. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them are open. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of them are closed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 closed. So 6 open, 6 closed. I don't even know if these are the ones that are supposed to be in here. Pink Passion. Let me see. Yep, these are the colors that are supposed to be in here. It's the Bold Brights. So it's the full set of the inks. So, you know, I'm going to get that cleaned up and get that in the shop. And when I got home, I had a Temu. So open that up. Okay, so the first thing I did is I ordered some of these. These are bubble wrappers, and I ordered them from Temu just to see, you know. And they seem to be pretty good, you know. But I wanted to see because they were not that expensive for the amount of packaging I got. So we'll have to check that out. I got these. This is called Jungle Travel 20-piece flower notes. They're just really cute. So I grabbed those. And I got these. This is not how I thought these came. It showed these on a roll. But they're like little designs in jars. but they were supposed to be on a roll. That's how they showed them, but they came in a box. So either they sent me the wrong product, or the ones on the roll were just a come on. I got 3 packs of this, which I just thought was pretty. It kind of reminds me a little bit of, you know, She Who Shall Not Be Named. Y'all know who I'm talking about. But it was just pretty, and I thought, you know, if I ever want to make another flower journal, this would be helpful to have. But I did get 3 of them. I don't know why I got 3 of them. I did not order 3 of them. But I got 3 of them. I don't remember ordering 3 of them. And then I ordered this, because I remember ordering that and this. And again, I thought these would be good for, you know, if I ever decide to do another botany book. You know, because they kind of look like that. They're in that style. So I got those. And then I ordered this. Now, I have like 3 packs of this in the full size, in the 12 by 12. But I wanted some, you know, just for like littler pieces. So I ordered this, and yeah, it's pretty much the exact same patterns. This is the Mary Poppins paper. Yep, that's the Mary Poppins paper. So, yeah, so I ordered that so I could, you know, and I'm just thinking that's probably a fussing cutting nightmare, but, you know, I'll do it anyway. Any big packs, those are stickers. But this is an 8x8 of that, and it just has smaller print, you know, so I got that. So that's what I got today. Yeah, that's it. That's all there is. Till I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye.